Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to find the additive identity in matrices when we add in matrices, which is additive identity of matrix. In identity, always identity in a binary operation is a matrix or a number or something that cannot change a number or a matrix. Suppose in case of matrix, it is a matrix. It is a matrix which can be added in a matrix A, and it remains same as A. If we add it in a matrix A, it remains same. A remains same means A plus O is equal to A, which is equal to O plus A. Suppose A is a matrix. For general, A is equal to A, B, C and D, which would be a matrix that cannot change A, B, C and D, all the entries of A, which is equal to O, 0, 0, 0 and 0, which is a null matrix. Null matrix is always additive identity of the order. As by order of 2 by 2 matrix, we can add O plus A, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus A, B, C and D. By adding them, we can see that A, B, C and D is the answer, which is equal to A. So it means O is additive identity O 2 by 2, which is null matrix having all the entries 0. For next, we have find A plus O, which is equal to A, B, C and D plus O 0, 0, 0, 0 as commutative law holds in matrices. By adding them A, B, C and D, it remains also unchanged as O plus A. So O is additive identity. It is additive identity of order 2 by 2. If we change the order of this to O null matrix, then it will be changed for the other matrix. All the matrix of different order have different additive identities, but they are the same as their order and null matrix of same order, which is additive identity.